Now, theoretically, you should be able to hear me. Do let me know if you can't. If you can't, well, we'll fix that. But everything should be fine. We shouldn't... Are you serious? I literally got rid of this delay earlier, and now the delay's back. What? I fixed it, like, 20 seconds ago. How did it come back? God damn it. Okay, we're gonna unplug the camera. I'm gonna replug it in. So, assuming that OBS decides that it wants to redetect my camera, we will have a camera. If it doesn't, then there will be no camera today, because OBS is a mess. Yes. Properties. Yes. Okay. Much better. Now there is no delay. Jesus Christ. This... I almost forgot what channel I was on. I can hear you. Cool. Oh, yeah, cool. The Nightbot is working. Awesome. Okay, so we have Nightbot working on the channel now. So I can do things like that. And theoretically, that should get Nightbot to send a message on the channel. Theoretically. Yes, perfect. Nightbot is working. Okay, awesome. That's actually called time, not clock. Oh, no, it is. Cool, it is clock. Awesome. Okay, Nightbot is working. Yes, I did that correctly. So now when people ask me really dumb questions that I've answered 1,000 times, I can just... Nightbot, please build up in C. I don't know how to build up. Do you mean like the Pixar movie? We're gonna be using Python today. And we've got this Discord test server where I've said a bunch of very exciting messages in here, like hi and hi and hi and hi and lots of highs. I just watched your note block cover of Spiral Tones. That is a really good video. I want that video to get more views. That is actually an amazing cover. Yeah. Go to his channel, watch the note block cover of Spiral Tones. Highly suggest it. Anyway, we're gonna do some programming today, and because I have no idea what I'm doing, we have a tutorial here. I've also got the API here that we'll go to afterwards, but for now, just getting the basic stuff set up, I'm gonna go through the tutorial. I've got most of it done. Like, I didn't want to show, like, API keys on the stream, so I went and did that, all that stuff beforehand. But the general plan for today, so I've had a bunch of people ask me, like, why don't you just use an FAQ bot, or why don't you use this bot, or that bot, or some other bot? The reason why I'm not using some pre-existing bot is because I want to have this as a piece of a future system I'm going to be working on. So right now, to do my auto posts on Discord, I'm using Zapier. Now, Zapier is great. It's proprietary nonsense, but it does the job perfectly fine. There's two problems. There's a bunch of problems with Zapier, but there's two really obvious problems. One is that if I want to support a new service, I have to wait until Zapier decides that that service is now big enough for it to be supported. And I don't know how long that's going to take in some cases. I know it doesn't actually support... I think it was... Was it Parler? Yeah, it was Parler when I was using Parler. It didn't support that. And when I first started using it, it didn't support Telegram either. It might support Telegram now, but the other problem that it has is on the free tier, because I'm not going to pay to post things on my Twitter account or my Discord. That's dumb. It has very, very big limits. It's going to be a Discord bot for now. That's why it says Discord token right here. But, yeah, so this is going to be a piece of that bot. First part is basically going to be getting the FAQ stuff that I've got working in Nightbot on the Discord, and there's a couple other little things, so, like, welcoming people into the channel, things like that. Nothing super crazy. And then later on, I'll deal with the other stuff. And then, yeah, we'll work it out from there. Let me know if the text is too small. It should theoretically be fine, but I don't know. I know this one's probably a bit too small, and you don't need to see this. This is just going to be so I have a output of stuff that's running, so I don't even need it that big. That'll work. Like that, yeah, it's probably fine. But yeah, afterwards, I'll go and make some, like, auto Twitter posters and things like that, and then everything should be automatic, so I won't have times where I just forget to post, like, oh, a video came out on YouTube, I just forgot to post it. Oh, also, the other nice thing about this is I'll be able to, I will be able to hook it into like the Odyssey API and stuff. Because I keep getting people from the Odyssey side asking, oh, why don't you post links to your Odyssey videos? Basically because I don't have access to the link until the video goes live. But if I hook into the Odyssey API, then I can basically deal with all of that without there being much difficulty. Also, I'm going to put some sort of music on in the background. I don't know. That's the wrong one. We want that one. And turn it down as well. I don't usually program with music on, but I guess because it's a stream, I'll have something there. I should update this playlist at some point, though. So, at this stage, basically what happens is if we go and run my bot, it doesn't do anything super crazy. If I go and post a message in here, it just... Actually, no, I don't think I have that yet. It just tells me it's connected. I did have something in there. Oh, no, that's... I was thinking through all this stuff last night. It's been in my mind for a while. Right now I've just got it so if it joins the Discord, it just lets me know it's actually functioning. But getting... Yeah, this is definitely Haskell. That's why it's got a Python shebang up here. This is just the new meta for writing Haskell. Also, welcome, DT. So let's see. I know most of this tutorial is nonsense. I don't need to actually look at it. Most of it is just like, oh, hey, you want to have it so if someone joins your thing, you can be like, oh, that person joined your guild. Things like that. I don't really care about that. I think there was something else in here that was worth looking at, and then I'm just going to go straight to the API. Yo, Me6, how you doing, man? Let's see. You can clean up this code by using some utility functions, blah, blah, blah. That's going over lambdas. What is it even doing? What is it even doing here, actually? So, when it... Oh, right. When it joins... Actually, we'll just copy that. So, okay, that's just printing out the guild name. Yeah, I don't care about that. That's just more test stuff that I would delete anyway. Am I going to cover NeoVim 0.5 release? Probably. I don't see why I wouldn't. What is this doing? Guild equals discord.utils.find lambda guild name guild client guilds. Okay. This isn't Rust to see unsubbed and reported. Hey, I could compile it with C. Was it Python or is it C Python? What's the Python to C compiler? Will the bot have a function to send the H word? Maybe. It could. I've not decided yet. Has it already gone live? The bot? The bot's in my test server right now. So not on the main server, no. Let's see. I didn't realize how much junk was in this tutorial. I need to rewrite my Discord bot. The code is a mess. Yeah, I want to also make it so it's easy to add new messages in as well. So I'm not... I think the way it... How does it go over in here? When we get up to... Okay, welcome to new messages. That's doing... That's doing a DM. I don't really care about that. Will the bot be available as an Emacs plugin? Does Emacs have a Discord plugin? So... Yeah, I think most of this is actually junk. Too much trolling. Hey, if it has a Discord plugin, then yes. Or Discord. What are they? Is it a plugin? Is that what they call it? I don't know. I think at some point it switched from using the client API to something else. Yeah, so here it goes over using the client API, but there's an easier version of the API to work with, and that is the bot API, I think. I can't remember. This is why we look at tutorials as well as API. For some reason, just decided not to load. Thank you, Brave, for being such a great web browser. That's doing some nonsense error handling, connecting a bot. Okay, what are we doing here? A bot is a subclass of client that adds a little bit of extra functionality that is useful when you're creating bot users. For example, a bot can handle events, commands, invoke validation checks, and more. Before you get into more specific features to bot, convert bot.py to use a bot instead of a client. Okay, what are we actually doing here? Does Emacs have? Yes. Okay, fair enough. What are you doing here? So we're doing command prefix nonsense. So I'm going to probably load that in from a config file. Is the LSP on the new Vim 5.0 the same as No, the LSP would be different, but the language servers would be the same. Okay, so we're swapping over from using client to bot. Okay, so I should probably swap my... What page am I on here? Is this a client page? I think so. Something like that. Let's see. Bot. Why is there a class called Snowflake? Discord, why is there a class called Snowflake? Okay. Let's see. Is it under here? Where? Snowflake is an ID. Where is... bot accounts in more than 10 guilds. Yep. Where is bot? Okay. Bot. Unless this tutorial is just out of date. Creating a bot account. No, that's literally what I did earlier. View Music is a good channel for Weeb EDM. Not posting link gets removed. It shouldn't get removed, I'm pretty sure. It should be fine. Wait, what? Wait, unless it... Oh, wait, is the bot under a different section of the... Discord.ext command. Ah! That's why. Okay, cool. That's why I wasn't finding it. The EXT... Okay, so if we go to the EXT section, then... Let me see. Come on. Oh, Brave's just freaking out whenever I type stuff. EXT? Is that gonna show up? Discord, why is your API horrible? Why is your API so horribly laid out? What plugins do you use for Python, by the way? I've got COC to do, you know, COC stuff. And then highlighting. I don't think I've got a custom highlighter downloaded. But I know Tree Sitter handles all of that stuff magically for you. Wait. Where was the page? There was the page. Discord EX. Commands dot... Okay, it's under the command section. Okay, under the command section. That's helpful. Commands. Why is your API so horribly laid out? Or your API documentation. Commands. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Are you using NewVim Nightly right now? No, I'm just using the version in Pac-Man. Okay, this is the one we want to use. Okay, cool. So, now we can actually... I'll convert it over and then I'll look at that. So what are we actually doing here? Wait, did I scroll past it? Using bot commands. Right. I'll convert what we existing have here and then go from there. NewVim Nightly bin arch package. Could you really call it a nightly package if it's not nightly? I'm using 30 here. This is not just for Discord. This is like a sort of web browser thing. Yeah. So I can, like, you know, go to my Mastodon or my Twitter or Discord. Any sort of, like, chat thing like that. So basically the only change that's happening here is instead of using client events, we're using... bot events and bot.use and it's with okay. That's basically what it changes. User.name and you're also using a prefix there instead. You don't have to. Why is good night live released in the morning? That's a good question because time zones. Command All right, yeah. I forgot the Python has named arguments. That's always a fun thing that I always forget about. Why do you have random here? You're not even... Why is it... Don't import stuff you're not using. What is this? Why? Also, where did... Oh, no, you do have your .env there. I thought you just forgot to import that. Discord bot expert here. Have you tried Pleroma or Misskey? I have not tried Misskey. I know of Pleroma, and I'm probably going to do a video on it at some point. So, then we need to do a bot run. Okay. And that should have us back to basically working what we had before. What did I do? Oh. It's from. This will happen when we don't program that much. He can't code. Yeah, no, There we go. Okay, now when it joins, it should print a message. Okay, now we're actually back to where it was supposed to be working. Okay. What else are we doing in this tutorial? Nothing else exciting? But I'm probably going to load... Actually, yeah, we'll put a note here so I don't forget about it. Load from config. There we go. To do. Do I have a plugin to do highlights? Wait, did I... Hold up. Do I have a plugin to... Or does... Neovin doesn't support that out of the box. I must have something. Or maybe COC does it or something. What else are you doing? So, you're doing some boring nonsense here. Yeah, well, I guess we'll go along with this. Wait, hold up. Did you just go back to the old version of it? Oh, no. You are going to be converting it over, I guess. So we're using decorators here. Actually, decorators are a really cool feature. They support highlighting to-dos by default. Huh. I just never used to-dos, so I actually never did that. I usually, yeah, I don't know how I usually find my stuff. I actually know, my brain, that's how I usually do it. I just forget about stuff and then get back to it at some point. So how does the on message? So bot command, oh, that's interesting. Okay. So you're no longer doing on messages. You're responding directly to commands with a prefix. Aha. So if we go over to the API, command. A shortcut decorator that invokes the command function adds it to the internal command list via add command. Oh, so we can ignore the decorator altogether and just use that function. Okay. Now, what would be easier? There's, if you look up specifically that question, the first post you'll find on Google is going to be on Stack Overflow. Probably on Start Page as well. 30 does not require an account. The account is optional. The account, it shows you an account the first time you open it as like an option to remind you there is an account system. You can click use without account and it'll never bother you again. No, okay, the decorator is useful, but I want to be able to load stuff in procedurally. So I want to be able to basically loop through a list of commands and values along with that command, and then basically, so like, yeah, something like this. Obviously, I know this is not correct Python. While commands add command, and then yeah, that actually was much easier to explain with code than actually explaining by hand. I want to be able to loop through a list of commands and add them procedurally. But with the decorator... Can I do that with the decorator? Wait, can I do that with the decorator? Maybe I can't. Wait, am I just forgetting how this works? Yeah, no, I could do that with decorator, couldn't I? Yeah. Because you can have decorators embedded in... Yeah, okay, no, I could do that. That's the wrong page. Get rid of that one. I could have... Python supports anonymous functions, doesn't it? I think so. Anyway, let's just go with the nonsense it has here, and then I will go with... What am I doing? I'm trying... What do you mean? What do you mean, what am I doing? I don't want to make sure this is actually working. Yeah, no, that was just example code. Wait, bot command. Keyword, okay. So it takes in args, but what are the args it takes in? Okay. That's... Okay, this is one of the things I don't like about Python documentation. They include things like keyword args, and then don't list out the args. He's flexing his degree on us, that's what he's doing. Exactly, yes. Can I have a list of the actual things that you need? Or are you just not going to give them to me? Nope, you're just not going to give them to me. That's great documentation, thank you. Ah, there it is, thank you. There's what I'm looking for. So, name, CLS, ATRs. Uh-huh. Well, doesn't this later show help? Hold up. Yes, it does. Where's this help coming from, then? Why is your documentation not set up properly? But you don't need to specify the name in the decorator. Wait. You need to specify the name of the decorator. It can take from the function's name. Yeah, man. I'll just post a picture of my degree, of course. No, the documentation is just laid out weirdly. Oh, there we go. Okay. So it's there. Why is it here? Oh, sorry, there's the list of attributes. Okay, that's what I was looking for. Okay, cog. What is cog? Help, hidden. Okay, that's fine. Cool. That'll work out. Now my brain's caught up. Anyway, we'll just go with the example they've got here, and then we'll make sure stuff's working later. Oh god. Yay, my fat fingers are hitting stuff. Hi, sure. And so we're doing an async function. I do enough other like languages like C that I forget like how this how Python's laid out occasionally. Test underscore string. Sure, we'll call it that. Then, yeah, perfect. That'll just make sure it's working. And then, how do we... Oh, that's why you have random, because you're doing a random choice, of course. Okay. And then you're doing an await. What is CTX? What is that CTX? Let's find out. So there'll be a send function here somewhere, presumably. Discord-JS better than Discord Pi. Surely the documentation can't be any worse structured. Wait, what are you doing? That's on the bot command. Okay. Oh god, this documentation. It's massive and there's nothing in it. Come on, thank you. Command. And... Tends to learn C# since it's more C-like, but I don't know if it's ideal for... It's not ideal for Linux. The tooling is horrible. You can do stuff, but it's not fun. A decorator transform a function into a command, or if called with group. By default, the help attribute is received automatically from the doc string. Ah, it's received from the doc. It's received from the doc string, apparently. Okay, it's not listing it out. Okay. Well, I'll just go with what it says here. And then we're going to go and send the test string. I don't know why I'm doing it like that instead of just including the string in the thing, but whatever. That'll work fine for what I'm trying to do here. Cool. And then we'll just quit out of that one and just test it's actually working. Reload the bot. Okay, cool. So now if I go and do that, theoretically, yay! Look at that. We have a bot now. Woo! That's basically the extent of writing a simple Python bot. Now I have commands that I can respond to. Okay, exactly what I wanted. So, now I'm not going to do this by hand because that's stupid. So, I could... what's the easiest way to go and do this? I could go and strip out some code from my like another project I have, because I've got repo Soundboard, this one, doing some stuff over here. I never remember how to actually load in JSON. It's easy, but I forget. Right. Of course, it's like that. Of course it is. Is it... Okay, we go import JSON. Okay, we'll do that. Put that there. Yes, I'm going to be using JSON. Sue me. Actually, I should probably use, like, CSV or something, to be completely honest. But I like JSON. JSON's easy, and I know how to do stuff with JSON. So... Load config... Actually, where am I calling load config from? So we want to go with... right, we want to open the file first, and then we want to... Yep, okay. Yeah, okay. Why is that complaining? Oh, because I deleted the thing. Right, that's why. Sure, yep, that's fine. And I guess, where can we put this file? Put it here, I guess. Touch... commands.json. Yeah, we'll do it like that. So if we make this a dictionary, I'm going to be loading in commands from a file, because I don't want to modify the I guess I could put them in. Yeah, I could like have a dictionary in the script. Am I... You know what? Actually, no. At the end of the day, it's probably just as easy to do it like that. Because I'm going to be the only one using it. Yeah, that's fair enough. So if we just put a dictionary in here, that's yeah, we can do... Or... Yeah, that'll work. So if we just do something like command_dictionary, sure. Yeah, we can do it like this. This is effectively what I was going to be doing anyway. So let's say test. Actually, wait, how does Python dictionary work? I don't remember. This is a test. So effectively what I want to do is loop over the dictionary and add in all the commands in the dictionary. So wait, you're just making a bot that just sends one message for whatever command used, right? That's the basic functionality. I'm going to be adding more in later on. But, yeah, that's the initial thing it's going to be doing. And that's why I was saying... The decorator might not be the best plan. Can you... Unless we can just stick it in a loop like that. Oh god, that's a small block. Let's get rid of that one. Now we can actually see stuff. Why don't you use a bunch of decorated Python functions? Because then I would have to go and write more functions every single time I want to go and add more commands in, and I'm lazy. I would much rather just update a dictionary. Also, that's a bunch of repeated code for no reason. You can make this bot give out specific Discord pings for uploads versus live streams, right? That's gonna depend on the YouTube API, but I've got an idea on how I can avoid the YouTube API altogether. But we'll see. So, what's the easiest way to do this? So let's see. How do you loop with a dictionary in Python? I don't remember. Once again, bad programmer here. Python loop dictionary. There we go. I love Python, but I program so little that I occasionally forget how to do basic stuff in this language. Can we just like loop over it as like an object? Is that how that works? For key in a dictionary? Okay, we can do that. Is there a way to loop over both? Oh, okay, yeah, that is how that works. Okay. Web scraping is Chad. No, I was gonna use the I was gonna use an RSS feed. But commands should have vastly different behavior. How then is filling a dictionary more efficient? What do you mean they should have vastly different behavior? If all of the commands, like, obviously for the commands that aren't doing the same thing, like, those will be different. But for the commands that are just answering an FAQ, there's no reason not to loop over those. So, for key in commands dictionary. Yeah, something like that. So then, I'm just going to make sure I'm not brain dead here. I'm going to print the key out. Okay, that should be fine. Okay, cool. That is, I'm not as brain dead as I thought it was. Okay, awesome. Yes, that's what I'm doing there. Let's see. So, oh yeah, that is the thing, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, that is a thing. Put a line here so it doesn't complain to me. There we go. Thank you. That is how Python works, isn't it? Now what would be the easiest way to do this? Let's see. Python anonymous function. Can we do this? Is this a thing? Yes, it is a thing. Okay. Python anonymous async function. How do you use await in a Python lambda? Is this a thing? You can't. There is no async lambda, and even if they were, you couldn't pass a key into it. There has to be a way to do this. Oh, wait, I'm dumb. Make an FAQ command that takes one argument for the answer. Wait, make an FAQ command that takes one argument for the question to answer. No, I'm just trying to work. I'm trying to work out how. Yeah, I probably am bad at Python. Make an FAQ command that takes one argument for the question to answer. I'm not sure what you're saying there. Because I know you can like define. I know you can like define a function. Wait. I'm not as dumb as I thought it was. FAQ. Yeah, if we do it like this. Is this actually... I just solved my entire problem. Okay. Is it... There we go. Now the question is if this is going to work. It should theoretically work. I don't see why this wouldn't work. Unless I'm really dumb. No, this should work. Surely this will work. I was just overthinking the problem. I was just way overthinking the problem. Nope. Oh wait, I forgot to make the function async. Can we not do it like that? Oh, I spelled it wrong. That would be why. Is that gonna work? Yeah, I was way overthinking that. Too many values to unpack. Expected to? Wait, what? Value error, too many values to unpack. Okay, we're just gonna do this the normal way. Whatever. I thought that worked as well, but there we go. That was what I was trying to do. That entire time, that's what I was trying to do. Okay, so if I now do a... What was the command called? It was called test. So now if I do a test... Wow. Don't forget the FAQ add RTFM. Sure, why not? Items? Ah, yes, thank you. Right, that is how you do that. This is why having a chat is actually useful sometimes. Oh, that's a function, Brodie. There we go. Much better. Okay. No need to put the command in a loop. Yeah, I got there eventually. So now... Cool, that's my main functionality done. Okay. Where's my... Let me look at my Nightbot configuration. I'm just going to... Basically, I'm just going to copy all my Nightbot stuff over. And... That should be good. Log in with YouTube. Yeah, log into that one. Yeah, man, backseat coding is where it's at. I did not want to go and have to rewrite this exact same function every single time. That would have been a mess. Now, can this actually throw any errors? That's the question. Also, So, I want some help text here as well. So, what would be the best way to structure this dictionary? No, but like, you're defining FAQ in a loop. You shouldn't do that. You just need to define it once. Ah. No, then you've got... No, the problem is you've got the bot command decorator here. Unless I strip out the decorator. Like, I know what you're saying now. I know exactly what you're saying. But to do that, I'll have to strip the decorator. So, it would be something more akin to... which would work. Like, why can I not spell async? Async, FAQ. Define FAQ, Brodie. CTX, and then, I guess... Yeah, send it in value. Why is... Okay, I'll disable that part of the Nightbot. That's, I guess I forgot to disable that. My bad. Nightbot comes a lot of, like... Yeah, Nightbot comes with a lot of, like, weird, weird moderation stuff. I'll disable that right now, actually. I didn't spam any... I don't know what Nightbot does. Nightbot just does what it wants sometimes. Spam protection. Excessive emotes. Excessive symbols. Disable that. There we go. Stop being annoying, Nightbot. There we go. Maybe you sent like more than one symbol or something. And want to go await ctx dot send. There we go. You gonna complain? Cool, you didn't complain. Then stripping the decorator is something like... How do you do that? So it's bot.command. And then you pass in... Yeah, then you can pass in FAQ. Wait. That gonna work? Is that, wait, is that correct? I think I've done that right. No, I've stripped it wrong. Yeah, that's probably the easiest way to do it. Yeah, that's probably the easiest way. Yeah, I know what I'm trying to do. I'm just getting it wrong. Add underscore command. Let's see. Actually, no, we could just add... We could just call the add command function, couldn't we? I'm really confused. It can't just take a word as an argument. I'm not sure what you're getting at. Oh, so you're doing, so you're thinking something like the command could be FAQ and then Discord or something like that, or FAQ, you know, YouTube. That's what you're saying. Yeah. Okay, I get what you're saying. I'll keep it like this for now. This will get the job done. Yeah, that'll do the job for now. It's not the most optimal way to write it, but it's fine. It functions. Yeah, no, I get what you're saying. I would hate having the bot set up like that. That just feels messy. Okay, cool. I had my Nightbot open here. I think... Wait, does Nightbot have a help command? I don't remember. I'm gonna send help, see if Nightbot has a help command. Maybe it does? I don't know. Where's my custom commands? If it doesn't, I'll make a help command, because these are the commands that we have currently. It looks like it does not have a help command. Okay. Anyway, that's fine. I'll just chuck these in, I guess. Where's my thing? There it is. That'll be the easiest way to do it. Click, clock. How's the mouse plague? Mouse plague? Yeah, Discord does have a help command. I know that. Nightbot, for some reason, doesn't. So if I go over here and I do a help, that actually does work, which is really helpful. Yeah, that... I don't know why why Nightbot doesn't have that already. It's really dumb. So this... Describe... Clock on stream. Now you're just going to get to see me fill out a dictionary. This is going to be good content. I'm sure this is high quality programming content here. Actually, now presumably if I do that, how do we do the actual help with this though? I know it mentions help at some point. Is it just another argument? It is just another argument. Okay, cool, easy. Oh, I thought it had the syntax wrong. Keys need to be a string. Wait, did I... Undefined... Wait. Have I done something wrong here? Wait, help. Go play some Aussie Laser. I kind of want to go play some afterwards as well. Have I forgotten how Python dictionaries work? Wait, how do you separate arguments? Why is that not working? Oh, right, of course. Needs to be a string. That didn't even click with me because help was working, and I forgot help was an inbuilt. Yeah. I forgot Python has an inbuilt help function. That's why it highlighted. My bad. Yeah, this is I'm definitely following some coding standards right here. Look at this. 150 character line. This is how everyone should be programming right here. Exactly how. So theoretically, if I go pass in, so that's not going to work like that now. I need to do a help equals, is that out? No, that's not complaining because of that. That's fine. I haven't played in a really, really long time, so I'd be up for it, but yeah. Value, help. And that needs to... Wait, can we... Wait, is this a thing? I don't know if this is a thing. If we... This probably isn't a thing. Python has a bunch of weird syntaxes, though. No, that won't be a thing. No, of course it wouldn't be. That wouldn't make sense. Because that's the name of it. Yeah. Whatever, Brodie. You know how programming works. Sometimes. I had an array that was over 1,000 characters. That's the correct way to program right there. That shouldn't complain. Yep, cool, connected. We go clock. Yep, awesome. We go help now. It should show a help. Hey! Yay! Success. Cool. Okay, now I can just copy stuff over. Awesome. Okay, I'm actually going to reorder this line. Because that's actually starting to bother me. No, that should be on the same line. Do it like this. That's... Yeah, that's better. Yeah, now we're onto something. Okay. Now I don't hate what I'm looking at. Why does this bot run on a server or locally on Brodie's machine? Oh, where? Now this is running locally. I'm just launching the script like right here. And then it connects through OAuth to Discord. I've got some other ideas for what I want to do, but this will be enough to get us started for now. I forgot to do the other thing. That's supposed to be a help message first. Help. Put that on the line below. Cool. No, I don't need the Discord link in the Discord. That's pointless. No, that is actually pointless to do. Why would I do that? I guess I could also have command aliases in here as well, but that's for another day. For now, this is enough. For A in will over. Huh, okay. Python is a bizarre language. It's a very bizarre language. Prince Brodie's favorite. I'm going to spell it like that. I don't care what you Americans have to say. Favorite language. What is the link to the YouTube channel? I forgot. I don't think actually... I do have one for the podcast. So I can be like... There. And you can see the podcast. Should I add one for the YouTube just as a meme? Nightbot, respond to the damn message. Nightbot's just having a rest now. Woo, that works. Cool. Thank you, Nightbot. Very cool. I don't know why I didn't set Nightbot up earlier. Also, yes, this is entirely accurate. Python 3, Python 2 is gross. If you think I'm wrong about that, that's fine. You can unsubscribe or something. No, I don't care. If you don't like Python, Python 3, it's fine. Or if you don't like Python in general. Yeah, Nightbot just responds whenever Nightbot feels like responding. To be fair, Nightbot is completely free. It's not free in open source, but it's completely free. And if that's how it's gonna... If it's gonna be a bit slow and it's free, I don't really care. I'm more than happy about that. Prince links to the gaming channel. There we go. I'm sure when you came in for a programming stream, you weren't expecting me filling out a dictionary. Now, how does Discord handle its new lines? That is the question. Does it handle it with \n? I don't think it would, but maybe. Wait, what did I do wrong here? What are you complaining about? Invalid syntax. Did I do something wrong there? Oh, I forgot a comma. That's why. I would say Pi 2 better than Pi 3. Look, the only difference I care about is the way prints are handled. Does anyone happen to know how Discord handles its The Nightbot doesn't post the \n between... I literally disabled that already. Stop. Just stop it, Nightbot. Stop warning people about things they're not doing. What are you doing? Okay, I'm gonna fix that again. You didn't even send an emote, did you? Okay, spam protection. Oh no, that's enabled. Disable that one. Cool. Disable basically all of the auto filtering. I'm gonna have blacklist enabled because there's some people who I want to blacklist words from because they are really, really obsessed with saying things they shouldn't be saying on YouTube. So my blacklist is basically just gonna be a big list of racial epithets. Maybe I'll put beard on there as well, just for the fun of it. And so let's actually test that one out. I don't know how that's going to be handled. Oh, also, I didn't... Wait. Oh, it is Nick. How you doing, Nick? Welcome. So if I do gaming channel... Hey, that worked exactly as I wanted it to. Awesome. Also, we are live right now on Twitch. So... if you want to watch on a platform that isn't YouTube, we are over here as well. Yeah. Oh, you can see who I'm subbed to. Well, Yanas. Yeah. If you want to watch on Twitch, we're on Twitch as well. Wondering how long it would take you to notice. Yeah, it kind of skipped past me. I partially noticed, and then, yeah. We just forgot about that. What is it? Commands, yes. Custom commands. Where are we going? I feel like gaming channel is a very mouthful of a a big mouthful of a command. I might have to change that one to something shorter. Maybe have like a underscore in it just to make it so it's a bit easier to read. I don't know. I'm still thinking about putting this into a JSON file. Just in case someone wants to go and, you know, use this themselves. They don't have to go and rewrite the script. They can just go and modify config file. But it's fine for just personal use. Twitch worse than YouTube. At least they don't make people pee in bottle. Wait. And that's Amazon. People who pee in a bottle on Twitch do it because they want to get subs. Oh yeah, this is a very important one. Job. Because every single stream, I have someone ask me like, Brodie, what do you do for work? So I can be like, job. And now people don't have to ask me that question every single time. Prince. Out. Brodie's. Bore rides. Why do I swear my name is Bore Rides so often. You don't even know. You can't say it because you've never used it and haven't spent a long time with it to say it's bad. Twitch is owned by Amazon, bruv. That is true, but I don't know if the people who work at Twitch are peeing in bottles, unless they're peeing in bottles to send it to the streamers, because you know that's what it's like to be a Twitch mod. Pi 3 is becoming bloated. How do you? No, that's just because you have like big fingers. Like, how do you double O? Like, Bore Ride is just me like hitting the key or Brodie. Hitting the keys in the wrong order. How do you manage to do a double O? Like, that actually takes effort to do. Oh, I forgot. I always forget the comma. Let's not forget the comma. Oh yeah, let me know if this matrix link works. The old version I had, I was actually like cropping off part of the link. Yeah, no, that... if you manage to do that, I think you're just trying to mess with me. I just realized I'm formatting this dictionary in a really weird way. That's just going to bother me if I don't fix it. I could get a Python linter to do it, like PyLint, but we're fine. Prints out a link to Brodie's. Why are there more people watching me fill out a dictionary than be bad at programming? Why is this the case? How did this happen? Matrix worked? Okay, cool. The link is good now. Awesome. Also, if anyone who does try to test it and it doesn't work, it does need to be in the, you do need to be in the Matrix, space beta. Oh, maybe it seriously does have a thing for it. I don't have a thing installed for it. Formatter AutoPep 8 is not installed. Use black. Use yapf. Or yes. Let's go with 1. Sure. Let's see if this works. I've never used AutoPep 8. Let's try it again. Format. Wow, look at that. Okay, thank you. That's actually really useful. I'll keep that in mind. This is how black is really good. No using AutoPep 8. Well, we're using AutoPep 8. Yeah. Audio, there we go. It's fine. It's a auto linter. Stop forgetting the damn commas. Ready? Try typing the podcast command in YouTube again and clicking the links. They're kind of broken. Are they? They look fine on the restream chat. They may be broken on your side though. Let's see. Let me see here. What have we got? Nightbot, wake up. Oh, what? Oh, wait, am I dumb? Wait, did I do that myself? Wait, give me 1 second. Oh, no, I'm just dumb. Okay, I'm just dumb. Okay, let me fix that. Why are they... Wait, why... I didn't format it like that. Don't do that. Okay. It should be fixed now, theoretically, maybe, possibly. No, not. Maybe I have to put space. Oh, I have to put spaces. Okay, it just auto removes the new lines. Okay, my bad. I didn't realize that Nightbot was dumb. There we go. Now it should be fine. I guess I can't... Even though YouTube chat does support... Wait. Does YouTube Live... Ah, YouTube live chat does not support new lines. Ah, that would be why. I did read it, but I didn't acknowledge it. It's fine. I'm a good streamer. I promise. Noodle. Yeah, I thought it supported new lines. It lets me submit it with new lines, so I'd assume that the new lines worked. But I guess not. Well, that's good. Good to know. I might have to increase the delay on that one. Because otherwise, you know, people will be able to, you know, do it as much as possible. Link to Brodie's Reddit. New, comma. I'm sure this is super entertaining content. Ulti-snip, COC snippets. I think I've got... Wait, do I have... I feel like I may have installed COC snippets. That's supposed to be message, not command. And what's that one? Oh, yeah. I have a Reddit. No one uses it, but I have a Reddit if you ever feel like being a Redditor. What initially was going to happen is, people are going to post fan art there, but they just post on my Discord anyway. Oh my god, I've used my Twitch account so little, I've a single followed account that I have no idea who that person actually is. Yeah, that's how it felt when I first went back to my Twitch account after, like, what, a good 4 or so years? Something like that. I think the Twitch account I use is my original Twitch account. So, yeah, I ended up clearing out some old followers. I think I was following some people that I used to be friends with that I just don't speak to anymore. Print or describes Brodie's soundboard. Forgot my Twitch password. I should delete it. Wouldn't you need the Twitch password to delete your Twitch? That seems like a what's the word? Putting the cart before the horse. There we go. Cart before the horse. There you go, Brodie. That's what it is. You know sayings. Oh yeah, another one that people, or Catch-22, whatever. Another one that people are really obsessed with asking me. This one here. So yeah, now if anyone bothers me about the wallpaper, I can just do that. Makes my life easier. Or someone else could do it. Or they could do it, actually. I don't think with Nightbot there's a way to DM you, at least on... Because YouTube's live system isn't anywhere near as good as Twitch, where you have your chat and then you have like a private chat behind the chat. So Twitch, you can actually DM people inside of the chat as well. Make a TOML file config instead. Does... oh, I know Python... There's going to be a Python... TOML library. Is there one in the standard libraries, though? I would have to install it. I guess I have to install it. Yes. Okay, by the looks of it. Yeah, I wasn't sure if it was something I had to install with pip, though. And it looks like it is. Describes Brodie's wallpaper. Again, making an RTFM will be a lot less code and faster. That command is missing an HTTPS at the start. It'll load the links still, though. Yeah, it loads the link just fine. Is it a slight issue? Maybe. But it should be fine. It works from the YouTube chat, so I'm not sure what the big deal is there. Anyway, now... Ow. Dying. Toml is well-defined, I think. I is just whatever people say. We do a little trolling. Okay, now, theoretically, if I go and do a help, we have a bunch of commands. Awesome! Okay. If I remember correctly, Toml is more refined and standardized version of the old Windows I. Well, the only thing Oh, that's the wrong one. I don't want to full screen that one. The only thing I really want to have configurable is this one here. Ow. So either... Either loading this in from a config, which in the format it's in, it'd be easy to just load it in from... It should be clickable. Oh, it's not clickable from the YouTube chat. Ah, okay. Restream chat is designed sensibly. Okay, I'll fix that. Thank you. Over here, where is it? That one? Oh yeah, also the Nightbot is just as childish as Discord is with the way they name stuff. It's not clickable on Discord. Okay, maybe it wasn't. Wait, wallpaper. Wait, am I not running it? Oh, I named it message, not... Oh, I'm also not handling, exceptions, am I? That is a ridiculously long exception name. What the hell? Okay, sure. Wallpaper. Okay, awesome. That is... Okay, so yeah, it did need that. That's good. TLDR, not Luke Smith. I don't know how the Discord library is built with decorators. Hate decorators for some reason. I think decorators are cool. Like, okay, the thing with decorators is... Wait, you can strip the decorator fairly easily. If you really don't like them, it's fairly easy to get rid of it. But since they're there, we might as well use them. Anyway, that's that for the main FAQ stuff. I wanted to also have some stuff when someone joins the, when someone joins. So on member, what was it? What is it called? On command error. Oh, wait, is this? Wait, is that gonna... Can I... Oh, God. Oh, it's a context. Okay. Yeah, they're syntax sugar. You don't need them. Yeah. Luke would make a Discord bot in C or shell script. Luke would not make it in C. Luke doesn't know how to write any C. He would make it in shell script, but it would be an absolute mess. Luke knows enough C to modify DWM. So if we do that one. Yeah, I was just going to do exception handling, but I guess that also works. At bot.event async def. Oh, is it on member join? Okay, that's the other one I was looking for. On member. Why is that not in here? It was under client. Why is it not under bot? It is a subclass, so it should be there. I thought the being a subclass, it would show the documentation for like the superclass as well, but I guess it doesn't. On command error. Anyway, what does this take? Takes a context and an exception. Okay. You're on the API reference for the ext commands. Right, I know I am, but the bot is a subclass of the client. And the client is the one you're talking about. Okay, well, I'll go over there. On command underscore error. Underscore re. Yes. And that takes in a context. And takes in a exception. Thank you. And spell. So, if I just do an await ctx.send, I'll handle it based on the exception afterwards. But I just want to make sure I'm doing this right. Test. Yeah. Okay, cool. So if I send one that doesn't exist. Okay, awesome. That's what I wanted. By default, this prints to sys.standard error. You're not using the rewrite. The rewrite... He could trick his subs into thinking he's a programming god or something. He could Yeah, no, he probably could do that. No, yeah, he's entirely honest about it. He'd never pretend like he was a programmer. But for some reason, people think that Luke is a programmer. I don't know how that happened. Like, he's been very clear that he's a linguist. Like, he does programming to get stuff done, basically. Which is fair. Like, most people don't need a program. But they're talking about Discord Pi. The rewrite is the main version now. Good question. I was just going what this tutorial was using. I guess there may be some changes, but I'll go and update it afterwards. It can't be that different, surely. Oh, it is the rewrite? Okay, cool. Yeah, when I installed it, I installed Discord.py. I thought you meant that was something different. Anyway. What do we actually get about the exception? Wait, what does the exception come with? That's the question. Let's print it. Let's see what it does. Yo, Brian, how you doing, man? So if we do an invalid command now. Okay. Aha. Oh. Command not found. Oh, okay, so we can just print... Oh, we can just print the exception. Okay, easy. I'll take that. That's a good enough error message for me. I'll take it. So if we do... Perfect. Yeah, man, snack time. Look, I don't even need to worry about my own error messages. It just does it for me. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you, Discord, for writing a good API with terrible documentation. Okay, well, that's easy enough then. That right there is for debugging. I'll leave that in there. There's no reason not to have that there for my side. I also want to do a thing for when a member joins. An unofficial person did. Oh, okay. Do you have your setup anywhere like your OS, window manager, and such? I've done videos every so often, but I don't have like a blog hosted just yet. Some point I will, when I stop being lazy. Oh, this is the right one? On underscore member, not member. Here's the one we want. PyTorch API. Oh, okay, they didn't make this one. Okay. So, on member join comes with a member object. Okay. On member remove. Is that... Brave, stop doing that. Is on member remove... Okay, when it's leaves or joined, I guess that's not going to be... From removed, I'd assumed that it meant banned or kicked, but... I didn't know there were a bunch of other Discord APIs. I wonder if there's like an on... No, there isn't an on member underscore ban. Oh, there is. Hey, there is one. Awesome. Okay. This requires intent.bans to be enabled. Oh, right. They have intents now. How do you do intent? How do you enable that? Okay, if we do whether or not guild ban related events are enabled, this corresponds to the following events. This does not correspond to any attributes or classes, blah blah blah. Okay. So do we just set that to true? I think that's what we do. I think that's literally all we do. Go to Discord developer portal. Okay. And enable them from there. Okay. I'm not gonna show you that because I don't know if you're going to see any things that you shouldn't see. But so it's intent dot bans. Do we just have to enable this? I think so. I think that's how that works. I don't know if that's going to work without me reintroducing the bot to the server. Yeah, I'm going to show you my API tokens for sure. Here you go. Yeah. I could just regenerate a new one and give it to you. And then just change it straight away. Yeah, what are you going to do with a bot API token? You're going to be able to literally do nothing. Let's see. Why is this stuff in the API if you took it from the developer portal? Discord intents. Primer to enable intents. Make sure you're logged on the Discord website. Navigate to the bot tab on the left side of the screen. Scroll down to privilege gateway intents. Privilege gateway intent. What? Privilege gateway intents. Okay. Wait, why did that not save it? I just updated that. Why did that not save it? Okay, and then what do I do? Enable the ones you want. Right, I enabled them. Wait, what? The official one is a REST API. It's just a wrapper for REST. Is that a thing in Nightbot? It could be. I'm gonna say it's not. Wait, that might be when oh. There you go. Now, apparently that does exist in Nightbot. Okay, well, I was gonna make that myself, but I guess I don't need to. Prime for gateway intent, but okay. Oh, here we go. I'll just show you it on the screen so you actually have something to look at. Do I need privilege intents? Okay. Member cache, retrieving members. Oh, we can just enable it from the code. Enable the ones you want. Enabling privilege intents when your borders are 100 blah blah blah. Even if you're enabled intents through developer portal, you still have to enable it. Oh, that's weird. What? Yeah, it'll be uploaded on GitHub. Yeah, there's no I have any reason not to do so. So that's why do you have to enable it through code as well? Huh? Discord, why did you design it like that? Okay, whatever. I guess if I now go... Assuming it actually saved this time. Why is that not saving it? Or we need to go actually do it like that. Ah. Yeah, if we do it like that, I think that should be right. That's weird. That is really weird. Also, I'm not going to show you that anymore, just in case I actually show you something you shouldn't see. We can see Discord window? Yeah, it's fine. I wasn't showing you anything special. I think having the intent stuff in the code is good for clarity. Yeah, that's fair. I guess we can also import... I typically like to import only the stuff I need. Is it discord.intents? But, wait. Yeah. Intents, import... Whatever, we'll just import it like that. Hopefully it doesn't cause a problem. I'll fix it afterwards. And the Discord API isn't just REST, it's also WebSockets. Oh, lovely. Now how do we go and enable that one? Okay, so we can just go intents equals discord.intents. Oh, I spelled it wrong, that's why. That would be why. That would be why it wasn't working. It's a capital. There we go. So the intent we need is the intent.bands. Okay, theoretically, unless I did that wrong. Wait, you're gonna... Okay, it's fine. No, wait. Unable to import intents. Okay, we're just gonna... Whatever. Is Discord Pi better than Discord JS? I'm really used to Discord JS. Haven't tried bot programming in Python yet. I don't know. I genuinely don't know. I am doing this for the first time. So, take other people's word for it. Any plans on leaving COC and Vim and using native LSP? I literally have not tried it, so I will let you know when I try it. Are you going to add a channel in Discord that contains a banned user history? I might do that. That would be funny. That actually would be kind of funny. So, we want to do that. We want to go... Intent equals discord.intents.default. Okay, cool. There was some other stuff I need intents for anyway. On reaction clear. Okay. Yeah, Hall of Infamy. Maybe. Maybe that could be fun. Then I'll have to The guild the user got banned from. Okay. Then guild, I guess, should have a send message. No, guild should have like a message. How do we do this? Make the bot record the user and their reaction. Let anyone use the ban command. Yeah, no, that's not gonna happen. Oh yeah, one other thing I don't like about this Discord API is they like use different naming for different parts of it. So in this case, premium guild subscription is the term for nitro boosted. Use one or the other. Like, don't switch between the terminology. I'm probably way too far down the API list at this point. Oh god, Brave, stop doing that. Send message. Let's see if we can find something in here about that. Turns true if a user can send messages. Okay, that's not what I want. Yeah, I'm sure I'm gonna let you do that one. Well, I wonder if Nightbot's gonna complain that you try to use a command that doesn't exist. Probably not. No, that would be weird. Okay, that's clearly not what I want. Trying to look for how to send a message. I know I can send a message in response to an event like this, but I'm trying to look for how to send a message in other situations. It should be under, there should be something under guild. I know I can do that. Message.channel.send. That's yeah, so right now we're doing a morning one. I decided to swap back and forth between US and European times. So if you want to send a message where the message is a given variable, you can just do message.channel.send. Message.channel. Okay, I need to find them. Well, it should be under commands then, I guess. Let's see. Cached messages, no, it's not what we want. Oh, get context. Oh, you're gonna head out? Oh, see you later then. I have to. It'll be under the channel class. Aha, okay, cool, thank you. That. Maybe we put in a capital. Channel. Okay, that's not showing up what I would like to see it show up. Specifically on, okay, text channel, thank you. Okay, thank you. There we go. That's what we wanted. And you said it was going to be send. Okay. Coroutine, right? Sends a message to the given to the destination with the given content. Okay. Okay, there we go. Now we're onto something. So content TCS, yeah, that's fine. We don't want that. Files delete after nonce. Nonce, okay, sure. Reference, mention author. Okay. How do we define what channel we want to be sending it in? Fetch channel, maybe? Wait, no. This function coroutine retrieves abc.guild channel or abc private channel with specific ID. Ah, okay. The channel from the ID. This is why programming streams aren't fun, because it just ends up just being... How do I want to grab the channel? So, what I was thinking of, what I wanted to do was basically have it so when someone gets banned from the server, it's going to send a message to one of the channels. That's what the plan was, at least. But... gonna head out. Start this assignment. It's due tomorrow. Make sure you check the top post in the subreddit live on stream. Oh god, what did you send on the Reddit? Yeah, that's the problem with programming. I wanted to try it out, see how it would go, but they're a bit of a mess. I know there are some people who can make them work, but... Oh, get channel? Okay, that gets channel based on the ID. Okay. It's safe for stream. Okay. So... If I... My font change? I think my font changed. Yeah, I don't know. I've got it at the minimum time. So there's Restream that's got a delay and also YouTube. So that's basically what the main cause of it actually is. So it's gonna let me do that in a very not generic way. But you know what? Screw it. Who needs something to be generic? Wait, if I stretch that out there. Like a Brave, what are you doing? Okay, if we do it like... Yeah, I'm just gonna do it like this. Screw it. It'll work. It's a hack, but it'll work. So if we do a... This is all... What class am I even on? It's on... Channel, isn't it? Is that what we're on? If we're even in... Oh, we're on clients. Okay. Cool. So can we do a bot.get... Ah, there we go. Okay, that's cool. We can do it like that. That'll work. And if I go open up Discord in my browser to get the channel ID, Discord, yeah. Open Discord. I literally never opened up inside of Brave. This is a very rare occurrence for me. I only ever opened up in 30. And why are people pinging me? I mean, actually, maybe it's because they know I'm on stream. That one. And if we grab here. Okay. So if we do a thingy like so. I'm guessing that'll work. Channel equals, and then we can do a channel dot get channel returns it returns a channel. When are you gonna learn some Lisp? It's a good question. When I am not lazy. Send. There we go. That I did do some Emacs, a little bit of Emacs Lisp. I did a little bit, nothing too crazy. Test message. Wait, that's an... Do people actually use Lisp for anything? They use it for Emacs. None type has no object send. Okay, that's clearly not working the way I'd expected it to. Lisp has a weird use weird usage in a bunch of random places. Like, there is a couple of, there's like a game library built around Lisp and a couple other things like that. Why don't I have multiple pages open here? I don't know why my computer's being like this. That's weird. Oh, wait. Get channel. Okay. I'm gonna just look up how to do this. You know what? We're gonna be a modern programmer and just avoid the documentation altogether, and just look it up. Is it possible to get a channel ID by name in Discord Pi? Channel equals discord utils.get ctx guild channels name. Look, we're gonna literally copy some code. I'm gonna be a modern programmer, okay? We're gonna copy some code off of Stack Overflow. Wow, let's see what this code does. I have no idea what it's gonna do. Let's see what this code does. Let's see if it's gonna be of something that destroys my computer. It's okay, it's doing a get channel, and it's not actually literally. This is a function they set up as a way to test it, and they didn't actually give a way to actually have it running. That's hilarious. Okay. If you don't know what server you're looking through to get the channel, you could use this. Okay, look at this great answer here. Channel.message.channel or channel equals message.channel. Simple. Downvotes. Wow, I wonder why that got downvoted. Thank you, Stack Overflow. Very cool. That is indeed like a real program. Exactly. Exactly. That's the way you program. If you have a guild, you could do wait. Guild.channels. What is this get function? Wait, what? You can use utils.get. Okay. Here we go. Here's something. Okay. Now we're onto something. Now we are onto something. Okay. Thank you, Discord API. Much more useful than something else right now. So, okay, I don't really care about that one. So we're using a search function to go over all the channels. We get the one called general. The chat. I know, man. The chat is very exciting right now. I think that Nightbot is actually commenting more. Wait, why are you complaining? What are you complaining about? Client.get. Wait, oh, I didn't have a client loaded, do I? That would be why. Bot.get all channels. That'll work. Subclass. Is that going to be a async function? We'll put it in here after everything's loaded, just to make sure nothing weird happens. Print channel. Will this work? Dun 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 dun. Come on. Yay! Yay, that's exactly what I wanted. Okay. Now we're on to something. So, now... okay. Where's that one? That's the one I wanted. Put that there. So now, if we do a channel.send. Did I hear Pokemon Gold and Silver gym battle theme? No, but I would love to go and play that game on stream. That would be so much fun. Content equals test. I think that's correct. I hope. Don't crash. Don't crash. It crashed. Messageable.send was never awaited. Oh, it's an await function. That would be why. Okay. Now we try it. So... Yes! Okay. Okay, that's exactly what we want. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So, now... Actually, you know what? That's actually going to be useful for something else. So... oh my god, Brave, why are you dying? What are we in? We're in the Discord utils get. That's not the one we want. Do I have the thing open here? So, is this the... This is the client. On underscore member. Yes, member. On member join. This requires intent.members to be enabled. Okay, so if we go enable that one. Intent dot... What was it? How, why did I close it before I actually did anything with it? Programming streams. Am I right? Programming streams. I feel like I talk even less in the programming stream than I talked in, like, my Mindustry stream. Get primer to in... Oh, I literally still had the page open. Yeah, Gavin's been here for a while. I do not get it. You're already a programmer. Don't need reassurance. Did I say I needed reassurance? Do you want to give me reassurance? Have you done a video on package management yet? General package management? No. But that would be fun. Yeah, that would be cool. I could do that. Somewhere else. Oh, okay. Then I need to go and load the intents object into the bot. Aha. Okay, that's odd. Equal intents. Okay, now that should work, theoretically. That is what I meant. You are a programmer. I did not get the title. That's called clickbait. Do a video on using every lang-specific package in 1 minute. Do I spend a second on each of them? Actually, I'm going to send a link in chat. And I'm going to invite one person. Edit link. Max number of users, 1. Expires in 30 minutes. Generate new link. I'm going to send this to one of you guys. So is that... Okay, cool. I'll send it to one of you guys. And the first one to use it. That would be helpful. So if we do... Actually, when in a second. I do have an old account. I can test it off stream anyway. But... So if we do an A... Now, on member join. On... Underscore member. On the member join. On member join. Before and after. Oh, that's update. Okay, so... Fireside IO style Lamau, or whatever that channel is called that does super short vids. It's not ringing a bell. @bot.event async def on underscore member underscore join. Thank you for the 5 R's, whatever those are. I'm not sure. It's $1. R dollars. R dollars. R dollars. BRL. What is... BRL. What is that? Let's find out. I'm not sure what that is. BRL currency. That is... Ah, the Brazilian real. Ah, thank you for the 5 Brazilian reals. I want to take a member in here. Oh, I don't need this here anymore, do I? That is a great... The Brazilian real or Rias? Rias? Bro, did those thingies at fan art put you up to this? What? Oh, what? Put me up to what? The programming in Python? No, I actually just like Python. There we go. So now if we take... I should probably have that one loaded up here or somewhere like that. Call this what can we call this? Join channel. Sure, whatever. Yeah. For now, we'll call it join channel. I'll give it a better name afterwards. Why have we got an error? Why are you complaining? Because I forgot to finish the function, that's why. So now, I should be able to do something like channel.send. And then, what does a member have? The hardest part is naming variables, exactly. Exactly. Surely member has a name, yes. Is that... Now, is the name... What is the name? Equivalent to user.name. Presumably, that would be their Discord username. So if I do a member.net... If I do a member.name, not in a string, that should work. Channel... It needs to be a wait. Of course it does. Thank you. Thank you, Python. COC. Whatever. I'm gonna... Is that link still valid? Someone join this link. Wait. 1 second. Channel.send. Oh, I changed the name. Join underscore. You're hired. You start on Monday. Thank you. I appreciate the job. Why don't you click this link? I don't care who. Didn't work. Okay. I did that wrong. I'm gonna ban you now. I can kick you. Crypto miner malware. Channel is not defined. Oh, I didn't restart the bot. Okay, that's why. I forgot to restart the bot. Okay, we're gonna try that again with a new link. No, you just got kicked. It's fine. You can redo it. Okay, we're gonna try that again. New link. The bot running? Yes, bot's running. Okay. Now, it should send... Is it gonna send a message? None type. Has no object send. Has no attribute send. Join chat. What? I think you could try something. Why is that not working? Is it, wait, is it low? Oh, I know why it's doing that. Oh, I know exactly why it's doing that. Oh, I'm real dumb. I was loading up the channel before... Yes, that's fine. I did that on purpose. I need to be true Giga Chat and program the bot in JavaScript. Yeah, of course. I'm going to do that. I know Python doesn't... Python scoping's a meme, but I guess it's not that much of a meme. So, yeah, that channel, I think... Well, actually, why didn't I just do it here? Assembly better than JavaScript. Okay. One more time. One more time, we should be good. Once this one's working, then I know what I'm doing. It's a link that one person can join. And this is a bot. Like, this channel does not matter at all. You know what? That's a good point. I am going to go edit channel, permissions, advanced permissions, send messages, attach files, embed links. There we go. Now when someone joins, no one can send anything. Wait. Actually, no, I just realized now the bot's not going to be able to send stuff. That's a problem. Wait, maybe the bot can still send stuff. Wait, can it? What's the bot going to do? Help? Bot, will you still work? Okay, bot's still working. Yes, your GIF is lovely. I appreciate the GIF. Okay, one last shot. That should be good. Okay. Now it should send a member name when someone joins the thing. Okay. Good. That's what we want. Okay. Awesome. So now I should be able to say, something like... What was an F string? Why not? F strings are cool. Welcome to the server. And then we'll do member.name. That's... I wonder if we can ping him like that. No, it was just their name. How do we get their name and their ID? F-strings are Python's best feature. I adore F-strings. They're so great. I wish every language had an F-string. The user's unique ID. Okay. That's not the same thing, though. I thought that the username... F-string? F-strings basically... They're a shorthand version doing like a printf. So instead of having to call a function, you just can put an F before the string, and it does the exact same thing. So it's a really, really neat feature. I wonder if you can change a member's channel when they join. Python has a lot of syntactic sugar. Like, you can still do... I think Python does have a printf, actually. There's something equivalent to a printf. No, it's, there's this... Was it, like, S? What is it? It's just a... There's a string formatting function you can use. It's basically just a shorthand for that. Anyway, I wanted to go and also force a person into a specific channel. You can see what I've searched for. This is the browser that I don't do anything sketchy on, so you can just see Linux YouTubers. What? Member, right. Or if they send a message, I don't know how to do it on join. On join? On member join. Member, okay. Now, can I fetch guild? Remove friend, yep. Is friend, history, edit, create DM. Move to. Moves a member to a new voice channel. No. How do we move them to a different text channel? How do we move to a text channel? Does anyone... I don't know if anyone's still watching that happens to know anything about the Discord API. Discord API move to text channel. I want to make it so when someone joins the server, it moves them straight into, like, the rules section. Discord pi move user to channel. Move member takes 2 arguments, a member and a channel. Unless I can just use this one. Server.channels. Client.move member. Message.author or mess or client.move member. Move. What? Move underscore member. Moves to a new voice channel. They removed this in... Wait, does it just... That's weird. I know it says it's focused, it's voice stuff, but there should be... I know there is a way to do text channel. I'm 100% sure there's a way to do text channel. I've had Discord servers that do that. How to move a specified user to another text channel. Apologies, misread. This is a weird question. You can't move users to a different text channel. The response posted by Pigman is wrong, and that's only for voice channel. I know there's a way you can do this. I'm sure. Maybe they were doing it some weird other way. That wasn't what I was thinking. I found this on Stack Overflow. Didn't Stack Overflow get bought out? That's a good content, Brodie. I'm sure this is good. Yeah, I'm sure this is good content. Oh, yes, that's a good point. Yes, I can change their access. They did do it through a hack. Yeah, okay. So I can give them temporary access only to one channel. Maybe lock them into the rules channel for like a minute or something. Yeah, that's a good point. Okay, thank you. Okay. So, yeah, it was basically a hack. I think I actually saw that one. Yeah. Okay, so how do we do permissions then? Permissions. This probably isn't what I'm thinking of. Pretty much everything in Discord is controlled with permissions. Oh, no, easier way. Do it with a role. Guild means a server, yeah. Yeah, I can do it with a role. That's a much easier way. So if we add a Y test. Yes, exactly. So then we go and add a... I was gonna say, like, how do I procedurally add permissions, but... Test role. I'm probably gonna end off the stream fairly shortly, and I'll do some stuff offline, but... Oh, that's cool. That actually is kind of neat. Discord has a way to, do some fancy stuff like that. No, I don't want to add anyone just yet. So, let's see. Edit. So, permissions, they should be able to do. Manage channels, manage nothing here. Oh, that's a fancy new look. That's weird. No, they can do nothing. Nope, nothing at all. Read message history, that's useful. Connect to voice, nope. Definitely not. Wait, I was just enabling all of that. Why was I enabling it? Am I dumb? How do you read, Brodie? So, let's see. One letter at a time. Exactly, one letter at a time. So, if I make this... Permissions... Let's see. So, if I... yeah. We put test role here, and then that's like that. Okay, so now I should be able to go into my roles. And I should be able to go view server as role. And they can't see that channel anymore. Okay. Oh, so you're a developer, name of a programming language? ANET, ADA, Algol W, AppleScript, A0 System, Adenine, Alice, APT, A+, ADVPL, Alma0, ARC, ABAP, Agda, Ambient Talk, AREX, ABC, Aglant V, Amiga E, Argus, ABC Algol, Agora, Amos, Assembly, ASM, ACC, AIMS, AMPL, AutoEd. I'm gonna stop that now. Here we go. There you go. There's your list of programming languages. Okay, cool. So if we force someone onto that role... Try using client move member message author. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give them the member a role. I'm just going to set their role to be my test role. That'll be the easiest way to do it. Member... Brodie, have RWX Rob on your podcast. That sounds fun. Is it like an ad roll? Ad roll? Ad roll. Ad rolls? That's what I want. Gives the member a role. Okay. So, should we actually call member add roles then? Member underscore add. Oh, sorry. Member dot add underscore roles. He's way more base than any other GNU tuber. I'll have a look into him. if it look, ultimately, if someone comes on the podcast, it's entirely up to them. I can't really force them on. So, yeah. I can be like, hey, are you up for coming on? If they say yes, then yeah. Otherwise, you know, can't really do anything else. Roll, okay. Hi, hey, Brie. That's not my name. Basically the Denchi podcast happened. Yeah, fair enough. Denchi is cool, dude. I like him. How do we get the rolls? What do you think about Django Wagtail? I don't know what that is. Discord? Get roll. Get all rolls. I presume with like utils get, probably we can get the rolls. Utils.get. I didn't actually care. I was just messing with you. Is there autocomplete in Vim for Python? No, you have to go and install something for it. Unless you go and set up your LSP for it. Then you can do it. Okay, so if we do a guild... probably a guild.roles, I would presume. Let's see. Here, grab that one. I'm not using Kdenlive for editing. I partially use Kdenlive. Mainly, I'm using Olive. Occasionally, Olive has some weird problems on very big files. Guild. So, presumably, Guild has like a all roles. Roles. Yep. Fetch. Oh, that got laggy. Roles, changed roles, guild owner, yep, okay. So what's the one we're using over here? It was called, voice channels, get all channels. Is that like a get all roles? Get all underscore roles, not a thing, okay. Get guild, get emoji, get channel, get user. Or is it just called roles? How do we get a list of roles being added or removed for a user? No, that's not what we want. Guild roles. Channel set permissions. Message. Nope. Fetch roles. Retrieves all roles that a guild has. Okay, so if we do... I wonder if that's going to work. What's the end goal here? That's a good question. I want to make a bot that does all the things I want it to do. Bot.roles. Basically, my ultimate goal is I want to have a bot that does a bunch of general, you know, server managey stuff. So it lets you ask some FAQ and stuff like that. That's my one thing. I want to have some general, like, when you join, things like that, there's going to be some messages. But my main thing is I want to have, actually, no, I'll go to this screen. My main thing that I want to do is I want to have it so I can sort of step away from using things like Zapier. By the way, most servers I join do the opposite. By default, you have no role. You get a specific role to gain access to channels. Yeah, I know a lot of servers do that. But it's effectively the same thing. Yeah, it's effectively the same thing. But I want to step away from things like Zapier so I can... Basically, Zapier is what I'm using to auto-post to Discord. But it has some issues, like it doesn't play nicely with my gaming channel for some reason. Like, it posts my gaming channel live streams after they're done. And I kind of want to have control over how that functions. So doing that, as well as also integrating it in with some other systems. So having a Twitter bot that lets me post to stuff to that, and then a Telegram bot as well, and then have them all fall from the same data pool, and just have everything linked together, basically automating a lot of that boring social media stuff. Like, if I'm posting updates, that's not something I need to actually do myself. I should very easily be able to automate that without much difficulty. Ray to stream, tell him it's podcast time. Oh, there's a thing on my Reddit I was supposed to check as well. Now, what is this thing that Nick sent on my Reddit? Oh, God. Oh, God, why did he send this? You guys should use this as your wallpaper. A bunch of Brodie's friends from uni, including myself, used this throughout uni. I still use it to this day. Nick. Why? I know you're not here anymore, but why? Why do you do that? Stop. Olive is a, yeah, Olive is a video editor on Linux. Stop. Yeah, people actually use this as their wallpaper because they're weird people. Yes, Olive is alpha, so it is buggy. But I still think in the state that it's in, it's still pretty good. So ultimately today, we did not get much done at all. Like, we got what? This is the problem. Okay, this right here, this is the problem with doing any sort of live programming. You don't get much done. Especially if you're not used to working with the API. I don't know if I'll do a follow-up programming stream. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. We'll see what actually happens. I wanted to try it out and just see if it was going to be a good format for doing content. My general assumption at this point is probably not. But I wouldn't know unless I'd actually gone and tested it and seeing what actually works out. Maybe I'll do a follow-up. Well, the other thing I was considering working on, which I did briefly show it for a bit. Actually, I'll show you it now. CD into repos, into Soundboard. It's this one here. So I'm working on a soundboard for my live streams. Basically, I want to be able to play dumb sounds as I'm actually streaming. So, wait, you could try doing a POC and also use Pomodoro before responding a question. I don't know what any of those words mean. I literally have no idea what you just said. But this soundboard, basically, if we go into my config soundboard.json, yes, I'm using JSON. Don't at me. Let's say I want to add in a new one. Let's say key. What am I going to put? F10. I know I've got a couple of new sound effects I haven't used just yet. I'm going to show you how the soundboard works. I do like this program. /home/Brodie/music/sound clip/ Here we go. Here's a fun one. Brodie expose. Show us your background. Oh, you mean this background? There we go. Oh, yeah, thank you. There's my background. Pomodoro is something to help you focus before doing something. Aha. Okay. Anyway. Could have been XML. Yeah, it could have been. Anyway, if I go and run the soundboard now, so I can be like... That didn't work. Why did it not work? Wait, why did my soundboard... There, now it's actually running. Shh.
Idiot.
Now we can play sound clips. Yeah. This is a fun one, actually.
No, normies, no. Go away.
This is the high quality big brain stuff that I set up for my live streams. So yeah, I love that clip actually.
No, normies, no. Go away.
Anyway, that didn't take that long to do. There's a couple of things I still want to do on that, like setting up. Right now, it doesn't actually take in any command line arguments. So, the location of the config is basically hard coded. It's not hard coded to my system, but it's hard coded for the .config folder. But I want to make it so it's available for any. Oh, it's available fairly easily. Make it open source. Yeah, well that's the point. You could already find it on my GitHub. I've literally got it pinned on my GitHub right now. So that's gonna be showing up in live streams in the future. Whether they're gonna be on the main channel live streams or not, I don't know. But they might be. That should work. I'm pretty sure I set it up to work. Nightbot, are you just not responding? No, there it is. Yeah, so if you want to go use that, the documentation is decent enough. You can work it out from where it's set up now. It's not, like, perfect by any means. There's still a lot of bugs with it, and you can probably crash it without much difficulty. What am I using to parse JSON? I am using I'm using this. The Python's built-in JSON parser. Brodie, the new Linus audio clip. Oh! Yeah, that might be fun. Yeah, that'd be fun as well. The other one, I haven't got it in the config file yet, but, I didn't make that myself. Which Vim are you using that lets you mouse around, Brodie? I'm using, no, that's an Alacrity thing. You can enable, every single, like, both Vim and NeoVim support mouse input. Yeah, they both support mouse input. You have to go and enable it, though. And not all terminals actually support doing mouse input like this. Most do. Most modern ones do. Like, you can do it in, like, Alacrity, Kitty, Your XVT, ST. Most of the terminals people care about, you can use your mouse like this. Oh, yes, Python import Soundboard would have made the entire code redundant. Ow. I'm dying. I hope I stop being sick soon. The other sound clip I want to use is from a troll I had on my Discord the other day.
Hi, you're dumb. Jesus.
I love that clip.
Hi, you're dumb. Jesus.
It's so good. It is such a good clip. I love it. At this point, I mainly program to, like, get stuff done. I don't typically just program for fun. Like, I still enjoy programming, but yeah, if I'm going to be doing something like that, I'm usually doing it because I'm trying to get, I'm trying to set up a website. I'm trying to set up a soundboard. I want to get my Discord bots working in the way I want them to work. Things like that. I like the programming feeling the channels bring. I like the programming feeling the channels bring to the Linux community. I like the programming feeling the channels bring. I don't know. I think you're saying you like programming channels in the Linux world, something like that. Yeah, I think more people in the Linux world should do programming stuff. I see now that it's difficult to make the content good. Oh yeah, that's the other thing. You might have noticed that I've been doing a couple of more, like, developer related videos recently, and I'm dumb. Recently, not recently. Jesus, Brodie, what are you doing? That's because I've got a couple of ideas of things I do want to talk about. What's better, programming or pro gaming? Programming's easier money. Pro gaming is, man, I would not want to be a pro gamer. That would take too much of my life. Basically, please do more of this, even though they're kind of scuffed streams. Yeah, you might be onto something. I don't really listen to Linux people who aren't devs. Luke being a prime example, DT is another. DT actually did do web dev stuff in the past. He hasn't gone through, like, formal education. I don't think you need to do formal education to be a programmer, but DT actually has done a programming job in the past. He mentioned it in a live stream once. Don't ignore, Linux needs more apps and more distros. I want to do a video on that, but I don't know how to do it in a way that actually would work out in a way that's not already been done to death, I think is a good way to put it. He claimed, okay, you don't need to be a programmer to be bad at statistics. I would say what would be the second biggest distro after Ubuntu? Probably, it would have to be like Debian or Red Hat, something like that. Okay, Red Hat, yeah, that's fair. Debian would have to be high up there, though. Being Linux, it's basically impossible to get statistics. Oh yeah, or Fedora. It would be it's one of the big server distros, yeah. You know what? Let's go and ask the internet. What does the internet say? Top 10 biggest Linux distros. Top 10 most popular Linux distros. Wait, what? Oh, I know where this is pulling its data from. Hey guys, you know what the most popular distro in the world is right now? It's MX Linux. It's MX Linux. MX Linux is the most popular distro in the world. Go away. No one even knows what this distro is. Oh, my lord. Yeah, Manjaro Linux Mint. Like, none of these are bad distros, but MX Linux is not even... Yeah, who even uses MX Linux? That's a good point. I don't know. Also, why is, like... I can list so many more distros more popular than all of these here. You can watch the number of torrent seeders, the number of mirrors, the number of forum posts, I guess. That's not useful, though. The problem with that is a lot of No, I don't think Ubuntu would be. A lot of Ubuntu's usage is going to come from deployment on things like AWS. Where you just have an existing ISO they've already downloaded, and you just deploy it on new servers without having to download it. So, you just can't count it like that. It just doesn't work. You are using MX Linux for sure, Brodie. Yes, absolutely. Like AWS, Google Cloud, things like that. So, Ubuntu is... There's no question. Ubuntu is the biggest distro in the world. Whether it's the biggest... regular user distro, it probably still is. Which room of Matrix or Discord is he reading? What? No, I'm reading the chat on stream. It would be Debian or Ubuntu. After that point, I don't know what the next biggest one would be. Maybe like Mint or something. Mint or... I wouldn't know. Pop! OS probably wouldn't be there. Mint would probably be up there in the top 5, I would say. It would be hard for me to believe it's not. Arch would be in top 10. If we go desktop Linux, it's easily top 10. But... no, Manjaro would... Manjaro definitely is. Arch might be a different question. I think most programmers use Linux in some way. It's just easier, less of a headache to develop on compared to other operating systems, cough, cough, Windows. Exactly. Well, that's why Microsoft has WSL, because they acknowledge that Linux is just easier for tooling. And that's why they have a package manager now, because they acknowledge it's just easier for tooling. Now that we're not programming, there are more people watching. Okay, well, I guess that says a lot about... that sort of content. I would say it's probably fairly low on the top 10 list. But it would... I can't think of that many big distros. I've never seen Manjaro. If I'm gonna have... What would be on the top 10? Obviously Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora, Mint... We're not counting Android. Android is not counting. I don't care what anyone has to say. So, Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, Manjaro, Mint. Red Hat doesn't have that much. Doesn't have that much of a usage on the desktop space? Probably not. I know Arch definitely would be. Yeah, surely. CentOS. Is CentOS big on the desktop? Linux distro tier list. Yeah. Well, let's bring up a tier list software. We probably could, actually. Wait, I wonder if... Slackware. Yes, Slackware. Linux distro tier list. There is one for it. Create our own ranking. Okay. GNU/Linux distributions tier list. Wow, look at all these distributions here. This is every single distribution that ever exists. Wow. Gentoo is not even on this list. So what is this? What is this scuffed Debian logo here? What is this? What is this scuffed SUSE logo? Slackware's on the list, though. Interestingly. This is such a terrible list. Obviously, by the way, I use Arch. I'm so good, I'm using this on my phone. Wait, there were a bunch of others as well. Look at all of these. Let's see this person's tier list. There are actually people who are unironically using this site. Why are they doing this? Amogus. Yes. Wait. Oh, I know. I deleted my Amogus, didn't I? I'll give you guys it back. Fanart. Amogus. There you go. Now you have your Amogus back. There we go. What Chrome extensions am I using? These ones. vidIQ, Honey, Google Translate, Bitwarden, Yomi-chan, I don't remember what it's called. IPA Fudugana, Dark Reader, this is Surfing Keys, right? uBlock Origin, Tron Wallet, Steam Wallet, Hive Wallet, and BitTube. I also did a video on it, yes. That is also something I did. This is true facts. In 20 years, Muda's gonna make a video called The Cult of #fanart. Mate, if Muda makes a video on it, look, if Muda ever mentions me mentions me in a video, you can guarantee I won't stop talking about it. There was a video he did recently. Is Honey based or malware? Honey is great if you're happy to sell your data to get a bit of discounts. Yeah, in a fairly recent video, Muda did a little shout out of Linux channels. He mentioned Chris Titus and the Linux Gamer, also Wendell. Which is fair. Wendell deserves a shout out, absolutely. But really, the Linux gamer is sure, whatever. Okay. Thank you, Nightbot. Very cool. I consider any software that sponsors YouTubers to be trash. Wow, that's mean. Linode's pretty cool, though. Now, there was a, it's been long enough. I have no interest in ever working with them. I'm going to tell you a company that did try to get in contact with me. I didn't sign anything. I don't care if they don't like me. What is it? Yeah, Linode's pretty great. I love Linode. What is it? AI programming. Is a syntax checker? What was it called? There was this syntax checker that. Is it called Deep Code? No, it's not Deep Code. No, different one. What was their name? Oh god, what is this? Okay. Is this how you be a streamer here? You watch your own clips? Okay. Let's see what this clip is. Fan Amogus. There you go. Now you have your Amogus back. There we go. Oh, the music is way louder than I thought it was. Okay, maybe the music was too loud. Maybe it's just like that in the clip. I don't know. There we go. Now it's quieter. Bray wants to keep all the money they get now. Is it your first Twitch clip? How do I check my clips? I literally have no idea. You use Twitch. How do you... Clips manager. Clips of my channel. Apparently, whoa. Apparently I've got a bunch of them. We're gonna watch... Okay, you know what? We're gonna look at my clips. What do we have? We'll use that. That works. What is this? What is this clip? Anime stuff? Let's try this out. Why did this get clipped? So it's gonna be difficult to actually hit that one. Why did this get clipped? Because that's going to be a... Why? I don't know how I'm gonna use that properly. Oh, it's not on stream, right. How do I manage it? Here we go. I have a comb, and I comb it. I don't... I have a comb, and I comb it. I don't do much to it. Wow, this was back when I had, my old lighting. Wow, that was a while ago. That was 3 months ago. And there is 4 other clips. Why are there 4 clips here? Why? ReStreamBot is the most active chatter on this channel. Yeah, that's because Philip is talking over from Twitch. That would be why. Yes. Oh yeah, here's Google. Wow, I'm using Google. Oh, crazy. What was this company called? Actually, I think I talked to Me6. I want to find this company because I want to roast them. Because their technology is awful. Let's see. Has link? Yeah. Me6 podcast now. Oh, God. God, what? No. I'm good. Okay, maybe I didn't send it to Me6. Oh, no, I think I sent it to Donald. Are you actually just sitting there clipping stuff? How the F does Google not have dark mode in current year? These are good questions that I do not have an answer for. God, I've sent a lot of junk over to Donald, haven't I? No, I didn't send it to him, apparently. Okay, I don't remember. There was a basically there is a tool that you can use. This like it's basically AI. It's an AI version of what COC Vim does, effectively. Oh god, he didn't clip the clip, did he? Here we go. I have a comb. Oh my god, he actually did. Okay. Okay, I'm done with you. No, wrong one. No, I want to go that how does streaming working? How does streaming working? Here we go. I have a comb and I comb it. I don't why? I have a comb and I comb it. I don't do much. Why? Here we go. I have a why did you do this? Comb it. Why? Ah, Twitch. Oh yeah, by the way, YouTube actually does have a clipping feature now. I don't know if it's enabled on my channel. But if you go over to, like, you know, Critical's channel or someone who's actually a big streamer, there is a clipping feature on YouTube. How long until Brodie shills Raid? I've said it before. If Raid contacts me, I will shill them. I will shill any, That's not another clip, is it? I will shill any of the meme companies, because it'd be funny. As long as they let me make fun of them. How long are you going to make this keep going? What are you doing to me? AI version of what COC Vim does, effectively. Oh god, he didn't clip the clip, did he? Here we go. I have a comb. Oh my god, he actually did. Okay. Okay, why? I'm done with you. Why? Can we stop this? No, wrong one. No, I want to go how does streaming working? How does streaming working? AI version of what COC Vim does, effectively. Oh god, okay. Okay, you know what? You know what? You know what? I was gonna end the stream a while back anyway. That seems like that seems like as good enough a reason as anything, doesn't it? I don't have much else planned for the rest of the day. Probably do some JP stuff, and then that's basically it. I'm gonna laugh so hard at that once I understand it after looking at ArchWiki. Wait, what are you laughing? You're pinging someone that I don't even see in the chat. What? Oh, up there. Injecting in glibc itself so there is no process showing up. Brodie getting bullied. Isn't that just what happens when you have a stream? That's just how streams work. If you're not getting bullied during a stream, can you really say it's actually a stream? Are you really a streamer? If not for bullying. Well, this stream's going nowhere. We stopped the main topic a while back. And oh, Will. Oh my god, no. I'm not clicking the damn link. It's not happening. It's not happening. I'm not falling for your damn trickery. Okay, one last time. One last time. I'm done with you. Why? Can we stop this? No, wrong one. No, I want to go how does streaming working? How does streaming working? AI version of what COC Vim does, effectively. Oh god, okay. Okay, you know what? You know what? You know what? Play a boss game? I could do that. A while back anyway. That seems like I'm done with. Yeah, they're bullying me. Actually, specifically, Philip is bullying me. I just closed my restream chat. I'll bring that back open. Cause oh no, I definitely wanna see what Philip's saying. Oh lord. Open in browser. Yes, that will be it. I don't know what FOSS game I'm gonna play next time. It might. Maybe I'll do some more Valorant, or maybe oh no, someone actually did ask me to go play Lugaru. Super Tux Kart. Yeah, that'd be fun. Toho game for suffering. That could be fun as well. No, I might play this one. This also sounds fun. Lugaru HD. Let's go to the comments, see what the experts have to say. This is basically about a rabbit that does kung fu, and the game is like super scuffed. It barely functions in. The combat is just like a big meme. Lugaru, please. Okay, I'll do Lugaru, sure. The game's also on Steam. And they have a sequel to it. Here's some pictures of Lugaru. Look at how scuffed this combat looks. Look at these models. Do they have a video? They don't, sadly. Oh. But yeah, they actually made a sequel to it. Called Overgrowth. This game is also very scuffed as well, but it's less scuffed. Based bunnies, exactly. Sadly, this one's not open source. Also, it's $43. It's not worth $43 in Australia. No, no, no. Definitely not. It's a mess of a game. Feedback, very positive. Yes, because it's... What is the top review? Yeah, it's janky. Yeah, it's kind of weird looking. Yeah, its story is based on... Yeah, its story is based on or either told through a comic book that I can't figure out how to read. But listen, have you ever heard... But listen, have you ever drop kick a wolf so hard it died? That's a good question. Have you ever drop kicked it? I'm not in focus. Have you ever drop kicked a wolf so hard it died? Twitch will only care if it's gore in a hot tub. Apparently so. Man, I should just do a hot tub stream. That's how we should go. Yeah, no, right? The blur is fun. See if it'll focus on this. Focus on... No, that way. Focus on the microphone and not me. It's not gonna happen. Nope. Okay. Wait, and let's focus on my hand. Yeah, now we're in focus. Perfect. There we go. Now we're not in focus. Exactly. This is exactly how I should be streaming. Doesn't this add a lot of effect to the stream right now? I could have just turned it on manual focus to do that, but this works as well. Now if I move slightly, it should try to catch onto my face. What do Zoomers call it? Aesthetic. Exactly. Aesthetic. That's the correct Zoomer term. Okay, I now think we're stuck. Gonna find my face? No, I think we're actually stuck like this. Canon, fix your damn cameras. Oh yeah, calluses. There we go. Now we're good. Yeah, that's because of my job. Feels drunk. Bro, is this a Japanese stream? So blur. What? No, yeah, I wish I lifted. That's just from work. Lifts boxes, yeah. Well, the boxes of Coke we get are like, what? 14, 15 kilos. So when you lift like 50 of them, it is at least something. And that's you keep doing that over and over and over. That's just one pallet. You just do a bunch of them all night. Have you given on bot development? I guess for now. Yeah, for now we have. For now, I'm just talking trash. Will T is Will Ted at the sight of Brodie. Oh my god, that's such a bad pun. Boxes of Coke from a boat? Yeah, man. Exactly. Exactly how it be. I say I stack shelves. I never said where these shelves are though. They could be on the dock. He's talking to the trash, exactly. Among Us Linux, every ISO comes with hidden botnet included as the imposter. You have to figure out who by looking for sus processes in HTOP. If you make that, or if someone makes that, I will do a video on it. He didn't give up on the bot. He used to accomplish less than expected. I didn't expect to accomplish much because I didn't know much about the Discord API anyway. So I knew this would be a lot of looking up API documentation. I still have it answering the FAQ, and that's at least enough to the point where I can actually deploy it on like the main server. So it still at least does that, and that's ultimately not the worst spot to be in. I could have gotten less done, but to be fair, most of that was done within like the first 20-30 minutes after I worked out how to actually do a loop. Among Us Linux is basically Red Star. Please don't actually do anything productive on Red Star. Not even like the North Korean government actually uses Red Star. Because they know it's really insecure. It's insecure on purpose. But just don't. Oh my god, are you actually still doing this? What are you doing? Among Us. Among Us. Just Among Us. Okay. Linux, every ISO comes with hidden botnet included as the imposter. You have to figure out who by looking for sus processes in HTOP. If you make that, or if someone makes that, I will do a video on it. I stand by my words. I'm a man of my word. Among Us specialty mugs. Red Star is good for writing letters for how much you love dear leader. Yeah, fair enough. Does anyone actually believe in North Korean hackers? Is that a thing? Is that a thing that people talk about? Like, where the F do they learn programming skills? Where do like regular hackers learn their programming skills? What they do is they download stuff off of GitHub, and they just run scripts that already exist. That's exactly where they do it. Okay, I'd never heard of that. Lazarus? I'm gonna say Lazarus. I did not know this was a thing. No, this is coming up with a guy called Mark Lazarus. Hackers. Let's see. Spelled with an A, not an E. My bad. Wait, did you spell it with an A or an E? You spelled it with an E, that's why. Lazarus Group, also known by other monikers such as Guardians of Peace. Am I watching Mr. Robot right now? Okay, it's a cybercrime group made up of an unknown number of individuals. While not much is known about Lazarus Group, researchers have attributed many cyber attacks to them over the past decade. Originally a criminal group, the group has now been designated as an advanced persistent threat due to an intended nature, threat, and wide array of methods used when conducting an operation. Names given by cybersecurity firms include Hidden Cobra. Hidden Cobra. I am actually inside of Mr. Robot right now. I am not Googling 1992 space movie. If I know what movie that is, and I'm almost certain that I know... Yes, it is. I know what movie that is. I'm not Googling that. It's not happening. For anyone who doesn't know what that movie is, it is gay racial epithets from outer space. No, I'm not bringing that up on stream. It's not happening. Yes, that is actually a movie that exists. It is a French short film, I believe. Why it exists? I don't know. But it's a thing that exists. Don't talk about them. They can hack your YouTube account. Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, I can't spell. I thought we all knew this. Yeah, no, that's fair. Is that just a thing for Australians? Australians just, by default, can't spell. Please, maybe on library. What? Watch gay racial epithets from outer space? Maybe. That'd be fun. I've never actually watched the movie. I just know it exists. Okay. Let's see. I'll give you the synopsis. Oh, sorry, it's Danish, not French. The film follows a group of intergalactic homosexual black men from the planet Anus who discover the presence of female creatures on Earth. Using ray guns, they proceed to eliminate females one by one from Earth, eliciting gratitude from the previously oppressed male population. Before leaving the planet, they leave behind a gay ambassador to educate the Earthlings about their new way of life. Yes. Oh, yeah, no. US government agency of the stupidest names. What kind of name is the IRS? Yeah, man. What is that? What does it stand for? Internal Revenue Service? Is that what it is? I can't remember. I don't live in the US. I don't care enough about you. I don't care enough about what your places are called. What kind of name is JNF? JNF. Oh, right. I didn't even... I always just thought it was a Nephite. I didn't even pay attention to the JNF at the end. Hi, I'm having an issue with bind command in Red Hat. Can you please help? Is bind something specific to Red Hat? If so, no. If not, I haven't heard of it. JNF sounds like an assembly instruction. Yes. I don't have anything else to say about that. Just yes. No bind is DNS command. Ah. I said I was going to end this stream off like half an hour ago, and I'm still going for some reason. I genuinely don't know why. I really don't. There's something just fun about streaming. I just enjoy ranting about nothing while people have their own conversation in chat. Man, nerds have cringe name. Yeah, I know. Lithium ferrite. What a cringe name that is. You're going... Well, you're still going because you keep clicking Philo's clips. Yes, I think so. I think that's why. That's probably most of it. JNF sounds like some Java feature no one uses. Java number framework. Java number framework. It can be Java's math library. Yeah. Like Pinum. Yeah, basically same thing. So you could do some some AI stuff in Java because you love Java so much. Is this the clip where I'm reading? No, okay. This is females one by one from Earth, eliciting gratitude from the previously oppressed male population. Before eliminate females one by one from Earth, eliciting gratitude from the previously oppressed male population. Numpy, not Pinum. Thank you. Yeah, I got it backwards. Thank you. I know what I'm talking about. I've used this library before. Where there's a will, there's a way. Apparently so. Apparently so. Incel Brodie confirmed. Sure, yep. No, if we've seen some of the members of the Discord, they are much higher on the pecking order for that one. JNF is a Java network framework. Oh, it actually does exist. Oh. Did you just say mems? Maybe. I meant to say members. Brodie has fangirls. He can't be an incel. Exactly. I have 2.5% female audience. Come on. What are you going to do about that? It's the beard. The beard does it, man. The beard's exactly what does that. 2.5%. That's actually really high for a Linux channel. Like, actually insanely high. I don't know how that happened. Some crazy situation must have occurred to make that happen. Kai likes my beard. Kai likes to bully me. Go check out Kai Hendry's channel. Say stop bullying Brodie. Actually, don't. Please don't go to Kai and say stop bullying Brodie. Kai's a cool dude. Maybe go to Baby Wogue and say stop bullying Brodie. Actually, no, that's fine. I think have I passed Baby Wogue in subs yet? Have I passed Baby Wogue in subs yet? Luke said his audience was like 0.2% female, so Brodie is killing it. Wow. Wow. Have I defeated my arch nemesis Baby Wogue? I think I have. In 18 years will Baby Wogue become adult Wogue? Yes. Yes. Invite Baby Wogue to your Discord and ban immediately after joining. Oh, yes, I should do that. That'll be funny. Funny meme. Here we go. Baby Wogue. 16.7k subs. Brodie Robertson. 16.8k subs. Woo! I've defeated my arch nemesis. If anyone doesn't know why I have a problem with Baby Wogue, it's because of a post that he posted like ages ago. I'm just holding a grudge. Where he said, I don't even know if I'll be able to find it because he posts so many things. Where he said that people prefer the sound of text-to-speech voices, which is objectively incorrect. Like, there's article after article and research paper after research paper demonstrating that's not the case at all. And also saying that I have an annoying voice, which is true. The annoying voice is true, but people do not like text-to-speech. Actually, I wonder if I'd search on my Discord if I can find it. YouTube actually changed their TOS a while back, where things like that actually shouldn't even be allowed on the site anymore. I like Brodie, so it's good. Fair enough. Oh, no, I can't find it because I sent the link before I did the server wipe. Yeah. Yeah, of course. Oh, you can't do a search for community posts? Why can't you do that, YouTube? Why is that not a thing you can do? Brodie's normal voice... Wait, Brodie's voice is normal if you're an Australian. It's a bit... right now because of, my cold, but normally it's fine, I think. Oh, it's probably still a Matrix history. Yeah, unless I sent it before Matrix. That's possible. I would have probably sent it on general, I reckon. Let's see. Search. Baby Wogue. Let's see if we can find it. Oh! Baby Wogue trying to start some drama with me. I found me saying something about it. Is this a link to the post? What is this a link to?
So
No, that's a link to a video. That's a link to a computer file video. That is not what we want to see. Probably make a bot thing that pings a command back and forth between Twitch and YouTube. I could just set Nightbot up on Twitch. That's probably the easiest way to do it. This is the aftermath of Brodie doing 2 or 3 podcasts solo and the last one being about VTubers. This is just how much of a mess my streams turn into? Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, man. What do you expect good content from me at this point? Nah, you're in the wrong place if that's the case. Anyway, I'm actually gonna end off the stream now. We're getting on 3 hours now. I think actually we are on 3 hours. Baby Wogue literally said women's suffrage led to world wars. Jesus Christ. Okay, I did not see that one. Yeah, ending the stream. So, I'm gonna play the outro. I'm gonna stop delaying the end. I'm probably gonna do some JP stuff, and if you want to chat, I'm in the Discord probably. Also, I like my new Iron Mouse hoodie. It's adorable. I showed it on my gaming stream last time, but I'm gonna let you guys see it as well. Let's see if I can show it. Yeah. Can we see it? There we go. You should be able to see it now. I love the Iron Mouse hoodie. It's great. Go do some Aussie laser. Maybe. Is Baby Wogue just Luke's ult? You know what? You might be onto something. Maybe Luke is just secretly in love with Gnome. That's possible. Oh, did you ping me entire stream heard it? I thought I had my pings disabled. Needs more Ahagal. Maybe it does. Oh, I guess I didn't have my pings disabled. Well, that's fine. Yes. Ending stream. Tomorrow there'll be normal videos as always. And yes. So, I'm gonna probably take something for my cough and I'm gonna end. Thank you. Bye. Yeah. Bye.